What's up? And in today's video, we're gonna play some Bloons TD6. Sorry about any of the background noises, but I will figure out how to shut that out next time. Anyways, in this video, we are going to be playing some, let's see, Flooded Valley, because on medium, why not? So first, I'm gonna go ahead and get a Buccaneer and upgrade him 011 and then 021, yeah. And I figured out the best way to beat this is just to flood the valley first. So you have to make them both greens, which is actually kind of difficult. Maybe just for me, though. Activate, nope. Yeah, so what you have to do is basically press that button, press this, and then get here. So you're going to spam the button. Oh, there it is, see? That's the problem I have with this map. I can never get that. Come on, yes. Oh, no. And then, yep, almost never get that done, actually. But we got cannon ship, so this one's going to be just mainly water. So for this map, I'm just going to mainly do military only because those are really the only towers that can actually attack. But I will be doing some banana farms. So, yeah. I'm not going to talk a lot here because I don't really want to bore you guys. So, yeah. But I will keep trying to activate this, so boom, boom, nope. Definitely tell me what map I should play on next time, just so I could probably have some more dialogue for you guys. But just for now, not 100% sure, so just gonna play on mainly expert maps unless I get a recommendation. And I will give the person with the most liked comment a pin. So if you can get your comment to the most likes, I will give you a pin. So good luck. Oh, there we go. There's my banana farm. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys want to keep seeing this content. I do post other things like Minecraft, Fallout Shelter, music, tiles. I post a whole variety of things. And I also post Roblox sometimes. Still working on that. Anyways, let's just see how this goes. Do not want that, actually. Tell me in the comments what your guys' favorite path for the Monkey 7 Buccaneer is. Sorry for not talking a lot. I just never know what to say for these videos, but I already said that. It's weird. I can't hear anything. Tell me if you guys can hear anything from the sound, because I can't hear anything, which is kind of weird. But I'm not really sure. Yeah, sorry for all the background noise if there is. I'm not 100% sure if you can hear that. But if there is, sorry about that. I should get someone else to play with me on here. That'd be fun. Anyways, this time I'm only going to go to round 60. I'm not going to go any higher this time. But I probably will next video with some map making. I can just get this up. I don't know if I just want to click this multiple times or something. Click. Click. Okay, so start. Okay. on. Oh, have a lot of money. We'll just go for this guy, and this guy. To get some bouncing bullet. Oh, I already have that on. Oh, wait. I didn't even click on him. You guys, if you could you guys tell me how I actually activate the water in here? Because I have no idea how to do that. Let's see. If I just get one raft, I can place as many monkeys as I want on the water. All I need to do is here, middle, snowstorm, and boom. That should work, right? Yep, there we go. So we just go middle path, and then boom. Oh, but snowstorm makes it even better. So let's go here. Oh, I can't even afford Arctic wind. What happens if I sell this? Okay, so it gets rid of all of it. That's interesting. Yeah, this one, yep, it mobilizes Moabs. Okay. So we're just gonna do that. And then within all areas. So then I can do right here. Wait, I wonder. Oh, so I can still place boats and submarines there. Wait, can I place a boat? Yep. So it freezes for every land monkey, but it doesn't freeze for subs and pirates, which is actually kind of cool that they made sure to keep that or even add that. Alright, I guess 3 snowstorms is enough. I guess I'll throw Quincy here with this guy. Actually, goodbye, Quincy. I think I'll just put you in the middle. So, and then Quincy would probably go there. I guess a mermonkey, because why not? I'm gonna change this guy. Mermonkey. Mankey? There we go, mermonkey. It kind of looks like a mirror at this point. That's fine. Okay, so it is only 1E. Okay. That's why it looked weird. No, don't want the E. There you go, now it's a mermonkey.
Zach, you want these corn?
No thank you.
You good? Oh yeah, you just
Alright. Let's see if I can't. So basically, I'm not going to try to spend any more monkey money so I can get Geraldo. Definitely my favorite hero out of them all. See any achievements? Nope. Okay, so next round I will work on the achievement Inflated. So be around 100 in deflation mode. I guess we'll see how that goes. No. Oh, monkey knowledge. Let's see. Nothing good here. Let's see. Dragons. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna go with somewhere in the support knowledge. What's this? Ooh, this one's actually pretty good. But I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna use that. I think I'm just gonna go with get one more spike. And that's gonna be it for today. Alright. See y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.